A sensor is a perception device. It can be used for real-time monitoring, measurement, and recording of technical equipment across multiple fields. Common types of ceramic sensors include. Common types of metal sensors include. Common types of flexible sensors include. We will select one representative from each of these three categories for explanation. Firstly, let's understand the thick film printing process of ceramic oil level sensors. Print the electrode layers sequentially. Resistor layer, protective layer. It is important to note that the circuit size of the electrode layer should not be less than 0.17 mm, otherwise, thick film printing cannot be performed. Next, let's examine the thick film printing process of metal pressure sensors. Different from ceramic substrates, the surface of the metal substrate cannot be directly printed with thick film resistors. A thick film dielectric layer needs to be fired first. Then, the thick film sensitive resistor is printed. Finally, print a protective layer. The thick film sensitive resistor needs to be printed in the center. This is because when the sensor is subjected to pressure, the pressure can be evenly transmitted to the entire sensing area. Secondly, multiple screens are required for printing the resistor. Each resistor needs to be printed individually. This allows for independent control of the thickness and position of each resistor area, to meet specific application requirements. Finally, let's examine the thick film printing process for flexible biological sensors. First, place the substrate on the platform. Due to the larger holes in traditional metal vacuum platform, this can cause the substrate to be sucked into and deform at the locations where it contacts the holes. Printing can result in non-uniform film thickness issues. Therefore, we should opt for a microporous ceramic platform. The ceramic's interior is characterized by a multitude of evenly spaced pores. The ceramic's interior pores prevent substrate surface damage under negative pressure. The problem of inconsistent film thickness has been addressed. Upon removing the printed product, powder shedding may occur. This can lead to contamination of the platform. To address this issue, we have two potential solutions. Solution 1 is to affix breathable paper to the platform. Post-printing, replace the breathable paper with a new one. Solution 2 is to equip a roll paper platform. After removing the printed product, the roll paper platform rotates. This solves the issue of maintaining cleanliness.